In this video, we're going to be doing a guided practice with scatting. I'm going to scat for 4 bars, and then I'm going to leave 4 bars of empty space for you to fill in with your scat. You don't have to copy exactly what I do, but feel free to play off of what I'm doing. Maybe incorporate certain things I'm doing into your scat as a way to give you ideas of things you can do with your rap flow. Now, for today, for this video, I'm going to be using a beat that I produced called Bounty Hunter. And if you like this instrumental, I'll post a link to where you can get it in the video description below. Now, just to be clear, we're going to be doing this in double time. So when I say double time, that means you're only going to hear 1 snare per bar that's going to land on the 3rd beat. Let me give you an example. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hear that? 1, 2, 3, 4. If we were counting in normal time, you would hear 2 snares per bar, a snare landing on the 2nd and the 4th beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. You hear that? But we're doing it in double time. So again, counting like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what we're gonna call 1 bar. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and scat for 4 bars and then leave you 4 bars empty space for you to fill in. Are you ready? Let's get it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Up at the pap, a race, slap the potion. Hoop at the grind, at the pop, drop and coping. Put the rape in the pop, and slow shit, the drop and not top, rock, pop and coping. On the prap, on the brace, I'm a tired of flay. On the grass, on the past, I'm around the fate. I put a ass up a dress, I be out of pay. And be on the brad, I'm me ass, I'm be out of K. I've been the breaking the black, hopping so whack. Hopping your raping your pack, hopping your raping your pack, haping your pack, hopping your raping your pack. Happen the rape in your back, but a grape in your back, but a grape in your back in your back. Happen the rape in your back, but a grape in your back, but a grape in your back in your back. Aping, raping, tapping, coking, seeded, breaking teeth from the rack of Logan. Ate it, baking, sacking, broken, open, breaking tape it to your brother poking. Aping, you're breaking your back. Hopping your rover, so raping your back. Haping the raping your back, raping your back. I'm breaking, so breaking your back. Rats in the back on the abrasion. Flow tack on the brack on my patient. Flow tap on my rap on the patient. Treat it from the grag, lumber tack on my paping. Blasting the broke in your bag. Hoping your drove, sleeping your brag. Hopping your bride, so raping your bag. I'm raping your rapper, so raping so bad. Yeah. Be the one that drakes the pack up on the bration. Hopping the drop at the pop top and quaking. I'm from the ride at drop top and caking. I'm rubbing your bras up at top pop and baby. I pump brack on the patient. I don't want the brass invitation. I fuck a brass invitation. If you want the bra, let me y'all, I'll be paping. I don't know, I don't gay, I don't soul, you don't pray, I don't go. On the brass of the task, I'm ready to go. I don't pray, I don't go. I don't rate it from the braided to the battlefield. I don't pray, I don't go. I'm from the reap at the proper top and the braided fold. passing your way. I'm blocking your wake and so black in your fate. I'm black and so pay. I'm bluffing your rap and your raping your pay. I put the breath on oration. Black type of cry to be tap, I'll be raping. I from the brass, I'll be patient. Hit it from the grass, up the top, I'm a paper. Reaping the rapper top and the braided packing. Living the reaping the rapper top of your pay the passion. I been the rhyming the rapper top of your braided packing. If you wanna drop in the pop a cop in the braided packing. I'm reaping the rapper top of the breeder pop. Living the grind but the drop top of the reader pop. Better keep it the ripper top of your breeder pop. Keep it the drop pop pop. Better reap the reaper pop. Blow rap on the mason bration. Draw tap on Greg on the paving. On the brad on my lace on the paving. Grow lake tash on rate on the paving. I blow rap on break on blowsin'. Flow the ride low pace on the popin'. On grad on but taste on blowsin'. Drop on brack on the bake on popin'. Any, many, money, mo. Hot on, breaking, sappy, go. Hold on, breaking, tappy, glow. Hit it, drinking, tacky, yo. I've been breaking, tap it, glow. Hip it to breaking, so bapping it blow. Hot on, roll raping, so blapping it flow. And I'm dreeping, come black and so breaking, let's go. Breaking, hacking, go. But the reaping, so breaking, so blapping it flow. Happen, oaking, breaking, slow. But the reaping, you're black and so breaking it flow. Hello, back into the pillow, jello. Hot up in the brass, I'm Patello. Hello, on the brass, I'm Bakello. Hello, paid it from the brown like a pillow. Hello, Brillo, from the jello, fellow, on the breaker to your bellow. On the breaker to your bellow, if you got us on the breaker, no the bracket to Patello. Hello, on the breaker to Patello, I'm breakers on the rapper, on the breaker to the pillow. Jello, I'm on the breaker to the bellow, if you rapping the rapper, top, I copy the pillow. There you go. That's a nice little scat practice to throw things back and forth. As you can see, man, there's so many different possibilities of ways that you can rap over any beat. You'll notice how I was picking certain patterns and I would keep building upon some of them for like several sessions or reps or whatever you want to call it, rounds. Just continue to play around with that. Like just every chance you get, pull up an instrumental and just start playing around with different musical ideas. If you can't think of anything, think of some of your favorite rap songs and try to rap those certain cadences over an instrumental. Even if you can't remember the lyrics, that's kind of what the whole point of scatting is. You don't have to be saying real words, even if real words come through sometimes. But just think of all the cool songs that are fresh in your head, or go listen to a song and try to mimic it over the instrumental and see if you can build upon it, maybe add stuff to it or take away from it. So there you go. I hope y'all enjoyed that. My name is Cole Mize with ColeMizeStudios.com, where I strive to make you a better rapper now. And be sure to get yourself a free copy of my ebook, The #1 Fundamental to Rapping, via the link in the video description below. And subscribe for straight to the point, no BS, how to rap video tutorials just like this one. And always remember, when it comes to rapping, there's no rules. There's only techniques. Peace. Hey man, you see that subscribe button right there? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Oh, and don't forget the bell icon. Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Hey, I know you see that like button, right? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. And look at yourself in the mirror and tell yourself, today I'm gonna kill it.